I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock my Nissan Rogue with keys inside Easy Method. Start by checking the driver door gap and any partially open window. Then create a small opening using a wedge or soft tool. Thread a shoelace or thin cord into the gap and form a loop. Then slip it around the interior door handle and pull steadily to release the latch. Move with care and keep hands steady. Before you begin, gather your tools and set up a safe workspace near the vehicle. Use a soft wedge, plastic trim tool, or inflated pump to separate the door from the frame just enough for a thin cord. Thread the cord carefully and form a secure loop around the interior handle, testing the grip before pulling. Communicate clearly with your helper and take slow, deliberate motions to avoid triggering airbags or electronic faults. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more practical tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used while working on the car. They're handy for snacks between steps and keep things tidy. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Grab one if you like the idea. And now let's get back to the video. With the wedge securing a small gap, guide the looped cord toward the interior handle using steady, precise movements. Catch the handle base with the loop, then cinch it tight so it won't slip when you pull. Apply steady outward pressure to release the latch and be patient if it takes a few tries. If the first approach doesn't work, adjust the wedge or cord angle and try again while protecting trim and electronics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.